to make more power on a turbocharged car, you need more boost. And to do that, you'll need what is known as a boost controller. They come both manual and electronic. So today we're going to be installing a Grimmspeed electronic boost controller on my boy Jesus's Evo 10. We also put coilovers on his car as well in the past. But this install is probably one of the much easier installs to do. He should be here any minute, and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so this install should only take a couple minutes or so for my boy Jesus. And today, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and swap in that Grimmspeed boost controller. I'll be sure to link it in the description below on where you can find it. It comes with vacuum lines to replace the factory vacuum hoses. We will probably need some zip ties. You'll want to zip tie the hoses onto the inlet ports in the wastegate so that way they don't blow off under boost. I'm gonna go ahead and set this on the tripod, and this install should only take a couple minutes. Okay, so the factory boost solenoid sits like right behind the intake, right here below the shock tower bar or the strut bar. So it's held on by two 10 millimeter bolts. Don't throw this away because you're actually going to use this bracket to put on the new Grimmspeed boost controller. So this top one, we're going to remove this, flip it around, put it on this back side, and the Grimmspeed boost controller is going to sit here in its place. So really quick, so there's 3 ports. One goes for the wastegate, one for the turbo inlet, and the other goes to the intake. So I'm gonna throw it back on the car using that vacuum line that we got that came with the Grimmspeed boost controller. We're gonna use that and install the new boost controller. Alright, so we're all finished up with the install of the Grimmspeed electronic boost controller. One thing I will mention is that it does help to go ahead and remove the strut tower bar to give yourself more room to install the vacuum lines. I hope this video was helpful. Hopefully in the next few weeks I'll be able to get my clutch, put that in, and hopefully get tuned for E. Be sure to subscribe for weekly content, and I will see you guys in the next video.